Welcome back to Overheat. Mercedes-Benz Actros Motorhome in Texas in 2026. Exterior design, panoramic windows and glass roof. Beautiful interior views and an abundance of natural light are made possible by large windows, some of which may have a panoramic option. External storage. The underbody will be equipped with a large amount of conveniently located external storage space. Slide-out extensions. The Actros Motorhome STX will probably include multiple hydraulic slide-out extensions to optimize internal space when parked. Interior design and layout. Gourmet Kitchen. Full-sized kitchen including top-notch stainless steel appliances, such as a dishwasher, double sink, full-size refrigerator freezer, convection oven, microwave, and induction cooktop. Extra sleeping space, a sofa that may be made into a bed or, if desired, a hammock. Smart lighting and LED lighting system that can be adjusted to fit different situations such as reading, task, or mood lighting will be included. Hidden storage. To make the most of available space and maintain a tidy interior, there should be an abundance of clever drawers, cabinets, and hidden storage areas. Modern entertainment system. High-end sound system, huge flat-screen TV. Performance and the ability to drive. Dependable Mercedes-Benz engine, driven by a strong and effective Mercedes-Benz diesel engine, perhaps from the 7X series, which is renowned for its dependability and high torque. Gear changes are seamless thanks to the PowerShift automatic transmission. Driver assistance systems. ADAS. The Actros has cutting-edge ADAS that improve driving safety and convenience, including attention assist, active brake assist, and trailer stability assist. An integrated infotainment system includes a large touchscreen in the cockpit for entertainment, navigation, and vehicle management. Advanced water system, water filtration system, quick water heater, and large clean and gray water tanks.